Hi, this is Brianna with my shadowing reflection for ED 8697. My focus for this class's shadowing experience was on professional development. I had the opportunity to observe a professional development administered by the superintendent and assistant superintendent on climate and culture at school size, as well as a staff meeting professional development at an elementary site. One of the commonalities between both sessions was the focus on the agenda, norms, rules, and outcomes of the session. 5 to 10 minutes were spent at the beginning of each meeting, making sure everyone understood the purpose of the day and how the day was going to be conducted. Some takeaways I had from both sessions was the engagement of the leaders of the professional development. In both sessions, when the assignment was to discuss in table groups, instead of walking around and engaging in conversation with participants, the leaders stood in the background and talked amongst themselves. This gave off the vibe that what they were asking to be done wasn't that important and made participants less interested in staying on task. Another takeaway I had was that in both of these sessions, participants were required to be there and did not have a choice in what they were learning. You could see among the participants that they were watching the clock and going through the motions to complete the session. I feel that it is necessary to survey a staff and to get a pulse on what they want to learn, to be able to cater professional development to their needs so that they are engaged and are active participants during. And if the PD is mandatory and the topic cannot be changed, finding a way to make it engaging for the participants, as well as to engage with the participants when it comes to table time and group time, so that they can tell their leaders have an invested interest in what they're doing and it's not just busy work.